Hello everyone, I'm back again doing my ocean wave pour again. I have got a few of blues here. Till there's one ultramarine, primary blue, and light sky blue, which I have added white to it and make it a little bit lighter like this. Got teal as well, and I have got black, which I'm going to use a tiny bit. So first I start with my ultramarine. So all I need to do is start from here, go all the way up. That's it. Then I'm taking my blue, just to note I have got silicone in. Set. You can see already started popping the bubbles there, getting nice cells. I haven't got much this one, but I'm hoping that's just enough. Oh, what's this fall off there? To get that out. There. I'll be using the palette knife to swipe that. I'm just going to wait for this one because this is. So yeah, I got my Teal. This is running very low, but I don't need too much, so I'll be fine. Alright, so I got Teal now. I am just using only tiny bit of my black. Very little. That's it. Alright, so now getting to the action. So I got tissue on the side to wipe my palette knife. So I do the bottom part first, and then I go through on this one. So all I need to do a gentle touch. Swipe through here. Just going to pull what I got in my knife here to cover this bit. My knife and finish this part. It's alright to going over it because it's not that great deal, because you get cell back when you swipe through again. So taking this part now. Kind of drop it, but what I do, I just mix them like this. That's what you need to be very careful when you do it. Don't take all your paint with your palette knife. Now this is going to be very tricky here. Okay. So I need to go over this one again. Like playing around with the knife and the paint. Just trying to cover the white canvas there. Quite a lot of paint here, so I'll do, oh, I should go the way around, to be honest. Teal is kind of doesn't like the cell or what? Don't be afraid to play with the paint. It's fun. Okay. What is missing there? Something looks like missing here. Let me pour a little bit of this. Right. Okay, I don't run out with my paint. I think that's enough. Now I do